Good morning and welcome to Craftsman India Experimental Kitchen. Today we have Marin with us, who is going to prepare a recipe for us today. So Marin, what are you going to prepare today?
I will make a simple Aviyal recipe.
Okay. So we have our vegetables here, we have a paste here.
Yeah.
So this is our 2-liter handi with handle. I think for Aviyal, this will be an ideal cookware to choose.
Okay.
So Marin, you can start cooking now.
Sure.
So Marin, we are done with Aviyal. How was your experience cooking in clay pots?
It's a pleasant experience cooking in clay pots. I will continue cooking in clay pots for my daily recipes.
Thank you, Marin. Thank you for coming.